All right, so I want to go over this because this was the exit ticket and a lot of people struggle with it. So just in case you guys want to come and retake it, make sure you watch this video and answer the Google form. And once you answer the Google form, you can come in and retake it. So this question says, determine to the nearest tenth of a year how long it will take an initial investment to triple at a 2.35% interest rate compounded continuously. So because it says it's compounded continuously, we know that we're going to use the continuous interest formula, and that is the PERT formula. So this formula, P times E to the RT. All right, so we're going to use this formula, and our R should be equal to 0.0235. Now, it doesn't matter what you use as your initial investment. So for the sake of this problem, I'm really just going to use one, like $1. That's probably the best thing, all right? So my initial investment is going to be 1. I'm going to do that times E to the 0.0235 T. This is what we're trying to find. We don't know what T is. And since I want this investment to triple, what is 1 times 3? Well, I want this to actually become a 3. Are we good? Cool. So now we will start by dividing off the 1. I mean, essentially dividing off the 1 isn't actually going to do anything, but I'll just do it for the sake, just in case you guys choose something else as your initial investment. So let's divide off the 1. It will cancel, and then we're left with 3 is equal to E to the 0.0235 T. All right, and so from here we have what we need in order to change this into a logarithm, and I'm going to use ln because here my base is E. So you always use ln when you have a base of E. So this becomes, it becomes 0.0235 T equals to ln of 3, and I'm gonna put the 3 once I translate it. Now this part here, you guys could plug this into the calculator, and I showed you that there was a button on the calculator that you can use, and that button is right here. So I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna do ln of 3. I'm gonna hit enter. So what I get is 1.0986. So then that means 0.0235 T is equal to 1.09861. I'll just add the 1. So we have one more step to get T by itself, and we're just going to divide off the 0.235. So let's do divided by 0.0235. It'll cancel over here. Whatever you do to one side of your equation, you must do to the other. So I'm going to divide off the 0.235. And since this is already plugged in, I'm just going to divide that by 0.0235, and I get 46.74945. So this is telling me to round this to the nearest tenth of a year, so that's 1 decimal, and so we get T is equal to 46.7 years. And that's it, and we're done.